Hey folks, it's Damien down at Sea Change Realty in Emu Park. I'm at number 92 Larnach Street at Zilzie, and I'm very happy to show you this beautiful big house with some incredible sea views and very close to the beach. It's in a really great position here. You've got two beaches to choose from to go for a walk. One is just virtually across the road just here, and the pathway is just up the street. So yeah, just walk down to the beach, and I'll show you that beach in a moment where you can see. And yeah, come and have a look. While I'm here, I'm just thinking, pointing out, you got the big double garage up the top just there. That's a big balcony, L shape. So you've got the back is a big deck as well, and then over to the side just here is room for a caravan, boat, trailer. You've got a little sink just down the bottom there to clean fish, whatever you want to get up to, and a door there for storage underneath the house. And yeah, the solar panel system just there. Come on in. Yeah, Larnach Street's a really nice street, and yeah, I'm very happy to show you through here. So this is the bottom level, which has 3 bedrooms. Both of all those are off to the right just there. I'll show you in a moment. Living area, and you've got a downstairs kitchen. The property was built for, I guess you could say, the kids and the grandkids to come, and they could live downstairs when they're here. And yeah, parents and grandparents are upstairs with the really good views. So, not saying this is a bad view out here. It's pretty amazing. You got a nice look out to Mother McGregor Island and Cave, the next island just there, and then along one of Zilzie's beaches. Yeah, great view. So the walking path, as you can just see, just there, it's only a couple of houses down, a few houses down, and yeah, just walk straight down onto the beach. I'll give you a bit of a more area here. I would say it's 4 meters, the patio just here. Nice big patio, all tiled here. Give you a bit more of a look. And not saying this is a bad view, but wait till we get up to the top patio. Yeah, another bit of a look through here as well. We'll just go off to the right, which is behind here, where you've got a laundry, a toilet, and the main bathroom. So here's your laundry just there. That door just goes into the garage, and there is another door just beside the wall there that goes outside. I don't know, we call that a giraffe on the toilet or not, but yeah. And then the main bathroom downstairs here. Yeah, nice big tub. That's a beauty. It's a big one. And shower just up there. There I am. Hello. Yeah, show the bedrooms. They're all extra large sizes. So yeah, give you a bit of an idea. You got your built-ins just there as well, all tiled flooring all the way through, even upstairs, and your fans just there. And then one of the other bedrooms just here. Same again. Yeah, fans, built-ins. And then the third. And your built-ins are just there. Another bit of a look from this angle downstairs. And I'll show you the garage. It's, like I said, just, yeah, good sized double garage. just push the button, come in. So yeah, laundry door over there, and that's just a door going out the side to the clothesline. And then underneath the stairs, that's just storage underneath there. And yeah, come on up. Got lovely stairs, good handrails all around, and this big, expansive, high-ceilinged living area just here. Like I said, all tiled. The view just lures me out, doesn't it? Yeah, let's have a look. Again, there's a nice big large deck just out here. And here, big outlook over Zilzie. And you got the mountains and hills in the distance just there. That's the kitchen just there. I'll show you that in a moment. But yeah, you're looking along the beach just here, which is pretty amazing. There's only so many properties that will be able to watch the tide come in and out. So at the moment, I think it's on the way in just there. And again, all the islands in the bay. I'll just zoom in and I'll see if I can show you a few more bits just here. Keppel Sands is just in the distance over there. And as you go along the beach over in the distance, it goes out to Port Elmer. And yeah, just over in the top there, that's Mount... I'll get back to that one in a second. I normally know that name all the time. And yeah, you got Mother McGregor and Cave Island and Split Rock just there. And yeah, Curtis Island out in the distance just there, followed by, that's Divide Island, Wedge Island just there. And yeah, the Keppel Group, and the closest one just there, that's Pelican Island, Great Keppel behind it, and the big rock out in the back, Barron Island, and the other little closer one there in the middle, that's Humpy, and Middle Island, just there, yeah. And at night you can see the navigation lights between them in the centre there, between Middle Island and Great Keppel, and also the lighthouse on Great Keppel Island just there. So, like I was saying about that mountain down there, I remember what the name is now, and it's Mount Larnach, just before Gladstone. And at night you can see the halo of Gladstone itself, and some of the locals have told me you can see when they do some burn-offs at the gas plant, a big flare comes up. And yeah, the other beach just down there, I think you'll be able to see in the photos of what it looks like as well. So yeah, so this is the other patio on the eastern side of the property, just here. Yeah, give you a bit of an idea. Looking back around. Yeah, no, it's pretty special. And looking back at the other areas just there. Cool. Well, I'll show you inside, and yeah. So again, the pretty big, nice big living area. Just there. And kitchen. You got the like a stone benchwork just there. And like I said, you're preparing food, and you've got that amazing view all the way around. We'll go off to the right just here, because this is a bedroom. They've got it at the moment. It could be an office. It just doesn't have any built-ins, that's all. And again, some nice high ceilings. And this is the main bedroom just here. Aircon up there. And always you'd have a nice breeze come through these windows. It's got a walk-in robe just here. Give you another bit of an angle here. And it's got a two-way bathroom for upstairs, so you could have this as an ensuite or just to be used, you know what I mean. Yeah, and a shower just there. So yeah, 92 Larnach Street, guys. It's a really great spot, and yeah, easy access to the beaches, good community around here as well. So yeah, look forward to showing you. Just give me a call and we'll have a look.